Every day, we go about our lives in a world that is full of miracles. From the moment we wake up and take our first breath, to the last thoughts we have before we fall asleep, there are countless events happening around us that are nothing short of miraculous. Take breathing for instance. It's an act that we do without even thinking about it, but the process behind it is truly amazing. Our lungs take in oxygen from the air, which then travels through our bloodstream and provides energy to our cells. This simple act of breathing is what keeps us alive, yet we take it for granted every day. Another daily miracle is the power of the sun. Every morning, it rises in the east and sets in the west, providing us with light and warmth throughout the day. Without the sun, life on Earth would not exist. Plants would not be able to photosynthesize, and we would not have food to eat. The sun is constantly working to sustain life on our planet, and yet we rarely give it a second thought. Water is another everyday miracle that we often overlook. We turn on a faucet and clean water flows out, ready for us to drink or use for other purposes. However, more than 2 billion people in the world don't have access to safe drinking water. Clean water is something that many of us take for granted, but it's a precious resource that should be appreciated and conserved. When we eat food, our bodies break it down into energy that fuels our movements and thoughts. The process of digestion is complex and fascinating, involving enzymes, acids, and muscles. The fact that we can eat a variety of foods and extract the necessary nutrients to survive is remarkable. We may think of eating as a chore or pleasure, but it's also a daily miracle. Our bodies are made up of trillions of cells, each with its own job to do. The fact that our bodies can function so seamlessly is a testament to the wonders of biology. Our cells work together to keep our hearts beating, our lungs breathing, and our brains functioning. Every day, our bodies are performing countless tasks that we don't even realize. One of the most incredible daily miracles is the power of love. Whether it's the love between parent and child, friends, or partners, love has the power to transform lives. It inspires us to be kind, compassionate, and selfless. Love can heal wounds and bring joy into our lives. It's a force that we can't see or touch, but we can certainly feel its impact every day. The world around us is full of everyday miracles like these. They may seem small or insignificant, but they are what make life worth living. We should take a moment each day to appreciate these simple yet amazing acts that happen all around us. Life is full of everyday miracles that we often overlook. From the act of breathing to the power of the sun and the magic of love, there are countless events happening around us that are nothing short of miraculous. By taking a moment each day to appreciate these wonders, we can gain a deeper appreciation for the world we live in and the beauty that surrounds us.